So you want to know some cool places to go on a date, whether it's your first date with this person or maybe you just want to get exciting things happening because you feel that you've done every single date night imaginable. Well, don't worry, I'm going to give you some places and ideas of where you can go to have an amazing date. Explore your own city like a tourist. Do you both live near a city you've both never truly explored? Well, exploring the city and everything it has to offer can be a great first date. Take a cooking class together. This can be fun and it's amazing for a first date activity to take part in. You'll be able to show off your skills, or lack of skills, and you will have fun and have something to talk about afterwards. How about watching a live music event? If the two of you are both into music, then going to a gig or an open mic night can be a nice idea for a first date. Or let's take it up a notch and head to a karaoke bar. For those confident singers out there, a karaoke bar could be a great hit. Pun intended. A breakfast date. Some people can find that a dinner date feels kind of too formal, but for those of you who feel the same, try considering a breakfast date as a compromise. If all is going well, you can choose to spend more of the day with each other. 6. Outdoor cinema. Normally, I would suggest avoiding the cinema at all costs because it doesn't really offer much of an opportunity to talk to each other. However, with perfect weather and a beautiful starry sky, then that is definitely worth the exception. What about rock climbing? This is another activity-based date that would be really fun for both of you, and it means you can do something different together, and this will leave a lasting impression. You are getting the good books, I promise. Mini golf. Mini golf is a fun activity you can take part in that offers an opportunity for you to both to show your more competitive side. You are easily able to chat away and make your way around the course and have lots of fun. Visit a scenic point. Do you know of any local scenic points that will absolutely take their breath away? If you've never been before, fantastic, offer to show them and say, look, this is my first time seeing it too. Number 10, underrated. Play a board game together. Games like Jenga and chess can be found in many cute pubs and bars around towns and cities, and they can provide a fun atmosphere for the two of you to get to know each other. Head over to a comedy night. If two of you share a good sense of humour, then what better way to start your first date than to go to a live comedy show? But be careful to avoid those front seats if you don't want to be called out though and included in the comedian's jokes. A picnic in the park. When the weather is at its best, a fantastic first date idea is a cute picnic in the park. Try hand making something extra special yourself to impress them, so don't go for fully store-bought food. Go bowling. Bowling is a classic first date move. It involves a little competitive activity where you'll have plenty of time to get to know each other between those throws. Visit a museum or art gallery. If this is a shared interest of yours, then perfect. This type of date provides plenty of time to get to know each other as you walk around and admire the artifacts and the culture and history around you. Take a walk at sunset. A lovely starter date is just a simple stroll together at sunset. Find a local walk with some great views that the two of you can admire together. Head to a theme park. If you are the type of person who loves the thrill of roller coasters, then a first date at a theme park can really get that adrenaline pumping. Head to an expensive restaurant for dinner. This is a romantic classic, wining and dining by candlelight. Spending the day together, helping each other, could be a beautiful way to build a relationship. Head to a local park and feed the ducks. A nice low-cost first date is a simple trip to the park to see and feed the ducks. You'll have ample opportunity to talk to each other. Be sure to look up what's best for the ducks, not bread, and take note of any local signs saying whether or not it is okay to feed them in that area. What about ice skating? If you are lucky enough to have the chance to do this near you, then it could be such a wonderful way to spend your first day together. If you love getting the blood pumping, head to a workout class together. If you're both into fitness, then consider trying out a different workout activity together. These days, there's so many different activities available that you are bound to find something you are both interested in but are yet to try. Now go and arrange your first date and then come back to us and tell us how it went. I'm so excited for you. I hope this video has really pumped your brain with some fantastic ideas for your date. Give us a huge thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.